Hi everybody, I'm Josh, and today I'll show you how to program planing. When the computer finishes booting up, you will arrive at this screen. Tab through using the crane button until you arrive at the word plane. And then the following selection options appear. If we select vertical planing, we need to define 2 points. We'll set the first point using the blue button. We will swing the crane to the second point, and once stopped, we will define by pressing the blue button the second time. And now the crane planes along this vertical plane. Please note, the angle of the plane cannot be steeper than 15 degrees. If we select perpendicular vertical planing, we need to only set 1 point. If we select the third option, point-to-point incline planing, the plane can be tilted, and we will set the first of 2 points. Now I will set the second point. If we select our fourth option, horizontal planing, we only need to set 1 point. For example, just below the ceiling. Depending on the camera package, you can adjust your filter to perfect the planing. If you have left the plane and would like to go back to your last plane, hold your dead man and press the blue button once. Now you can use the safety rocker to tee down to the plane. On arrival, the blue button will slow to a pulse and you are now on your plane. Be aware, a second technician must monitor the telescope while planing.